Well, it's 10 months since I sat here. I just got back to Piha this morning, flew in from Melbourne in the middle of the night. And it's quite something to be sat back here. I filmed a piece at this exact spot just before I left, saying the rubber's about to hit the road and I was off on my big trip. And that's behind me now. When I set out, I had no real idea of exactly where I was going. I knew in general where I was going to go and what I needed to say in each place. And now I'm back here 10 months later, and I'm back here for a particular reason. Just over here, in about another 20 minutes, I'm going to watch the sunset over the sea, first time in 6 months. Last time I watched this, I was sat next to a big fire with my big coat on and a flask of coffee. It was cold, that was down at Westport. But tonight it's going to be just gorgeous. In the 10 months I've been away, I've written 70,000 words of my book, done over 200 illustrations, and I have 700 gigabytes of video footage. In total I've got about an hour and 3/4 of dialogue recorded. So that's sort of four half-hour episodes. 5 half-hour episodes. So I'm pretty much getting towards the end of it. I may even shorten the book and the documentary and take 2 of the Maori Waka out of it. I'll think about that a bit while I'm here. I'm certainly going to stay here for a couple of weeks now, a couple of months now. I've been travelling non-stop for a year and I just want to stop for a while. Just come back from seeing the kids in Australia. Christopher and I drove from Melbourne up to see Elizabeth. We just went up the coast a bit north. I checked on Google Maps today. The distance we drove was the same as going from London to Budapest, and then after 3 nights we turned around and came back. It's a big place, Australia. Anyway, that's it. Back here in Piha. Gonna watch a beautiful sunset, and then I'm gonna have a good sleep. See you all soon.